Hi everyone, on this screencast I'm going to show you how to navigate the game Monkey Mayhem. Easily confused words. This game focuses on your and your, there, and it's and it. So the instruction says use your mouse to click on the monkey with the correct answer, then the monkey will get a banana treat. Here they are reviewing all the different grammar rules, so take an opportunity to browse this, read the examples, and then see if you have any other questions. Once you're done reading, you're going to hit play. And as you see, there are the little three monkeys, 1, 2, 3, and in the trees it's, and there. So you'll read the sentence, we love the forest and all its, or their beauty. So let's read it with these words in the sentence. We love the forest in all its beauty. We love the forest in all its beauty. We love the forest in all they are beauty. That's what there stands for. Let's go with its. Oh, wrong answer. Let's try its. So now you know what happens when you do the wrong answer. It gives you the opportunity to correct it and do the correct answer. I wanted to show that as kind of an example on what to do if you get the wrong answer and how to take it from there. So the next one says, blank learning the difference between three homophones. There, or there are our options. So let's put it into the sentence. They're learning the difference between three homophones. So this there stands for possession. This there stands for they are, and this there stands for over there, or let's go there. So let's try they are. Oh! We got it on our first try, and our monkey jumped through the tree.